Hey everyone! In this tutorial, we're going to look at how to create granular database permissions, also known as database row permissions inside Notion. This method allows each user, client, or collaborator to see only their own tasks and projects without having access to anyone else's. It's a simple way to keep shared databases organized, private, and secure. Let's get started. For this example, we'll use a basic Notion setup that includes a projects database and a tasks database. These act as the master databases, the central place where all projects and tasks are stored. The first step is to ensure that only the workspace admin or main owner has full access to these databases. This helps maintain control over who can edit or manage the data. Next, you'll want to set up page-level access rules. These rules define who can view or edit a specific page based on their role. For example, anyone listed as an owner or assignee in a database entry can automatically edit or view only the pages they've been assigned to. Once the rules are applied, you can share links to individual database pages with specific users. When someone opens their shared link, Notion automatically limits their view so they only see the projects and tasks they are assigned to, even though everything still lives inside the main shared database. Here's how it works in practice. When a user hasn't been assigned to any projects or tasks, their view will appear empty. But as soon as they're assigned to one, it automatically shows up, both in their project list and their related task list. This makes it possible to manage multiple clients or team members inside a single workspace without needing to duplicate databases or manually filter views. And that's the core idea behind granular database permissions in Notion. A clean, scalable way to give people access only to what's relevant to them. If you found this helpful, feel free to like the video, subscribe, and check out the next tutorial where we'll explore more advanced Notion setups. Thanks for watching.